Alright guys, welcome back. On this week's episode, we're back on the GSX.
Oh,
the secret. Right in the bloodstream.
The secret sauce.
My whole fucking arm.
Look at that form. Alright, Nicky boy, what are we doing?
Alright, we got the fuel tank in, we got the fuel sender in, we repaired the fuel sender F1 fuse, which we should have done a video on, but we didn't.
Next one.
Yeah, we'll do one day. So we got a new breather on the fuel tank. Fuck this, I'm using a single ear clamp. We got the fuel tank, or the oil tank all cleared out. We used our acetone on it. Cleaned out the sender, cleaned out, put new seals on everything. We're gonna put our new lines in, drop the oil tank in, hook up the feed for the oil tank, probably find in our box of parts that's completely unorganized the fuel neck, hopefully it's somewhere. And then after that, we'll probably drop the engine in, start aligning it, and keep moving. Okay. I think we're gonna email the people that entered the giveaway, but also we'll just throw it out there on the video. Nick and I are undecided whether we go oil injection or premix. My vote is probably oil injection just because it's gas and go. Premix would be cool if you plan on, because we're putting an aftermarket head on it, we're hard jetting the pipe, so the pipe will be comparable to like a raw Sierra pipe. So I guess if somebody wants to keep modifying it, put like, well, we're putting an impeller on it, and we're putting 85, 88 pretty much on it. I don't know what else you could do on this, honestly. Now we're going through it.
Ride the fuck out of it.
Well, yeah, but it'll be pretty, like, unless you want to put a Spec 2 pipe on it, which in my opinion for GSX would be a waste, but yeah, so we're gonna do a vote. Vote whether you want to see this thing go oil injection or premix. My vote's oil injection. Nick, you don't care?
I don't care. I would say oil injection though.
Yeah, I would say oil injection. Just put gas and oil and just ride,
ride
the piss out of it. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll bring you up when we do the engine. All right, Nick was antsy. He wanted to put the rear grab bar on. So what we did was we went from like here to here up, and we wet sanded everything from 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, and 2,500. Buffed it all out. Everything on the whole inside, everything's buffed. It looks like brand new. The black grab bar looks sweet. We're gonna, since our graphics package is gonna have carbon fiber and blue in it, we're gonna change this tow hook. We'll probably end up powder coating the tow hook black, and then we're gonna change this plastic blue to carbon fiber. We have our fuel tank in, oil tank in, new grommets in the oil tank, new lines going through.
Fresh gas cap, oil cap.
Fresh gas cap, fresh oil cap, black, so it's all good. We got the breathers in, those are all cleaned out, everything's in that way. We put all new clamps on. So now we're gonna move on to putting our mounts in. We have new hardware for all the mounts, both in the hull and actually to bolt down the engine. So we're gonna shim it out, put those in, align it. After the engine's in, we can start putting the water box, exhaust, everything else in. Start running our water lines, which I messed up and ordered the wrong size, so we won't be doing that today. But we'll probably just do like a short time lapse of us wet sanding this whole thing out. And then behind the scenes, I'll buff it just because it's so time consuming with white. I'm not gonna bore you guys on camera with that. So we'll put the engine in now, and then we'll show you how she looks. She should look pretty killer with all the blue. But so far, I'm happy with it. I mean, if the whole hull turns out like that, it looks like brand new because it looks. Nick and I are regretting doing a giveaway on this thing because
it's minty, bro.
It's just so mint, dude. The gel coat's just so mint. Mike did email me today or text me today. We got graphics coming for this thing, so hopefully the next episode it'll all be buffed out, and Nick and I will probably not be able to wait. We'll probably just throw graphics on and then put tape or towels or whatever on it so that we can start leaning over it and working on it. But we gotta see it with the graphics and the bars on, especially that hood too. So yeah, let's do the engine. All right, dude, tell me where we're at.
All right, well, we've been working on this thing for about, what, 5 hours?
Yeah.
Even though it doesn't really show, but we did make some progress. Like before we mentioned, got the gas caps in, fuel tank, oil tank, grab bar, the crown jewels in. So we got the engine in, got the nice pipe. The issue we had was obviously aligning the engine. So that was always fun, but we did manage to get it minty.
You want to show us a little demo?
Yeah, let's go for a little demo since I'm gonna go jousting. So hopefully you can see this, but oh, right in. No resistance, no nothing. So it is lined to a T.
Yes, perfect.
But yeah, other than that, we're just gonna probably keep going to town on the inside here. Get the water.
Well, no, we're moving to wet sanding now.
Oh yeah, that's right. We gotta do the outside. Get the outside going. Make a mess with that before we get anything else dirty.
I'll assemble the hood off camera because it's gonna be a nightmare to put together with all the gauges.
Yeah.
So then we'll do graphics, hood, bars, interior.
Yes. I can't wait to ride this. I've never ridden one, and it looks cool.
Yeah, they're sweet.
But yeah, if we get graphics for sure next video, because we all want to see that. Oh, we gotta do sponsons too.
Nick and I have been working for the last,
4 hours.
How many?
4
hours. So Nick and I have been working for the last 4 hours. We went from 8 to 1,000 to 1,500 to 2,000. This entire side's done. For those of you that have done white before, white is incredibly hard just because the fading and everything goes brownish yellow. On like a yellow ski, you don't really see that you didn't get completely all of it out. And when it polishes up, it looks nice, but on white, it's terrible. So this entire side's done. We pretty much have from like here down done. The hood area still got to be done. The back cut in half, that's not completely done. This entire side is wet sanded, ready to be polished. We didn't show any of it on camera just because we've showed how to do it before, and I don't think you guys want to watch us sand another house. So this whole side's pretty much ready for graphics. We're gonna scuff the wells, put turf on, all that other stuff. But this is our finished product before decals. Came out incredible.
Still gotta buff the bottom too.
Oh yeah, we got buff the bottom still too. But we're gonna do that because we're, like we said before, we're gonna put sponsons on it. So once those sponsons come off, then we're gonna buff the entire thing, take the decal off, buff the entire bottom, and then we'll put new sponsons on, decals, whatever.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Again, we just want to reiterate, this is our giveaway jet ski. So if you do want to enter to win, head to the website todaywrench.com, purchase a ticket. If you buy a ticket and a turf product on the same receipt, you will get one additional entry. So hurry up and get those in because we are starting to fill up. And I don't know, anything else you want to talk about?
No, should be done by end of May. Testing, yeah. We'll do our torture test on the engine and everything else like we planned with SBT. And then we'll put our performance product on it, which is the R&D head, hard jet the pipe. Maybe we just hard jet the pipe right off the bat. So we just do the R&D head. Yeah, so we'll throw R&D head on it, lower compression, tweak our carb settings after the compression's lower, and then it'll be ready to give away. So I think we said second week of June we give this away.
Yeah.
We actually do the drawing, and then we're gonna do the drawing live on Facebook, or no, YouTube. We're gonna do YouTube live.
We're gonna do it live on YouTube. That way everyone can see that, you know, it's in the moment. We also hopefully will have our graphics in soon for the next couple of days.
The next video we should have graphics.
So we'll have graphics on and start assembling handlebars, the hood, all that stuff. So because you guys did see we had the hood painted, engine's in. So we're almost there.
Almost there.
Almost there. Now that it's warm out, hopefully, yeah, get this done soon, get her out on the water and get it tested and go from there. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you have any comments, drop them below and we'll see you next week.